We're getting more news that's breaking this minute. The current update coming in as far as the ED raids in Rajasthan is concerned. ED has now carried out nationwide searches, and this is with regards to the fertilizer scam. The Enforcement Directorate, they're carrying out searches in Rajasthan, and these searches are being conducted at Rajasthan Chief Minister's brother's premises. So those are the latest updates now coming in. Remember, earlier we'd also seen a reaction that had come in from Congress's Randeep Surjewala questioning the timing of these raids that were being conducted, also accusing the BJP of misusing the agencies at this point, at a time where there are multiple raids being conducted across the country. Let me bring in my colleague Bhavtosh, who's joining me live with further updates on this. Bhavtosh, can you take us through the details of these fresh raids that are being conducted, the ED conducting nationwide searches, and also why is raids being conducted at the premises of Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's brother?
Well, Apurva, as far as the raids are concerned, they are being carried out in Rajasthan, in at least 6 places in Rajasthan, in West Bengal, and also in Gujarat and Maharashtra. The case of the ED is that they have taken cognizance of a prosecution complaint that was filed by the Customs Department and Directorate of Revenue Intelligence in 2013. There is an ingredient in fertilizer which is called muriate of potash or potassium chlorate. It's not domestically produced in the country, and it is generally imported. Now, so the domestic farmers, so that they don't pay high price, what the government has done is that they have given subsidies to the dealers of this potassium chlorate. And in India, the main dealer is India Potash Limited, and sub-dealership was given to Agarsen Gehlot, the elder brother of Rajasthan Chief Minister. Now, allegations are that instead of giving this chemical and this MOP to domestic farmers, fraudulent documents were shown for domestic consumption of this chemical, and then subsequently entire shipment of over 350 tons was then exported to Malaysia, Vietnam and Taiwan, thus making a huge windfall gain for Agarsen Gehlot. He had the dealership of this potash, and then the money was siphoned through shell companies. Now, as you rightly said, that the timing of this ED raid will be questioned by everyone because of the fact that the political battle is now being fought both inside the courtroom as well as outside the courtroom. Earlier in the day, the speaker had addressed the media and said that he will go to the Supreme Court. ED has said that they have been carrying out their own search, own investigation, and after gathering evidence, they carried out the raid. But the timing of this nationwide raid by the Enforcement Directorate will be questioned because it comes close on the heels of previous raids that were carried out by the Enforcement Directorate and Income Tax.
All right, Bhavtosh, request you to stay with us at this point. This timing of the raids, as you said, is being questioned, and we just heard that reaction earlier that had come in from Congress's Randeep Surjewala. Let's listen into once again.
राजस्थान में